Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to turn off screen on iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. So here is my 15 Pro Max, and as you can see now I have on my lock screen the date and the clock and also a wallpaper, and this will consume my battery. And to turn it off it is very easy. Just go to settings and here go to display and brightness, go down, and we have here always on display. Now it's turned on. Tap to go inside, and from here you can turn it off. Just tap here, and now let's exit. Press the side button, and as you can see now my screen is turned off, and my battery will last more. So it is very easy. I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.